Hey everybody, this is Dave Cooper and we are at Frameclad SFS in Midlands, England, and I am standing with Martin Jamieson, who's been in this industry for a long time. Martin, thanks for joining us.
You're welcome.
Martin, tell us a little bit about what you do here at Frameclad.
So at Frameclad, we start off, head up the technical and commercial side of the business. So that's from the inception of when inquiries come in. We look at the concept of how things are going to be built. We put together a plan of what we're going to price. We price it and send it off to the client. And then when we're successful, it comes back in and that goes into the design process, which we control in-house as well. Mm-hmm. So it's everything in that, in its life and its journey through before it comes to the plant.
You've been in this industry for over 30 years?
30 years involved in light steel frame, yeah.
In light steel frame. So you've seen a lot of changes over the years. Where do you see the future of steel framing moving forward?
So in its time, in its 30 years, it's gone from being quite a sort of labour-intensive manual operation with a lot of pre-cut, with cutting, very messy, very difficult, highly skilled work. And where we're evolving to now is it's technology at the front end, the design, the technology inside, the modelling that brings us the ability to roll them through the Howicks, to pre-punch, to pre-cut and bring it into a semi-skilled operation.
Right.
And that's a big plus at the moment in the UK, certainly, because skill shortages are coming up. We've got a lot of skill set in the industry that are dying off, retiring. So we need products and we need equipment that's easy to train, right, that we can replace those skills with, and this is that. It gives us that.
So you're using equipment that digitizes the process,
yeah,
speeds up the build process, the accuracy of the process,
yeah,
and it's allowing you to do all kinds of jobs all around.
Correct, yeah. It takes the control off the lads on the shop floor and brings it back into the technology, which means it opens up markets. We not only supply just lengths of steel to people, we'll supply assembled panels, pre-boarded panels, full volumetric, full 2D panels pre-finished, windows, and we're looking at services going in. So it opens up a lot of things which we can do in the factory, right, and take it away from the site.
Yeah, I mean, you're really adding value to the supply chain, yeah, right? Because now you have the ability to help others achieve their goals. You said volumetric, panelization, yeah, even just the regular site builders that just want the panels on site.
Yeah.
And you guys are covering all of that now.
Yeah, we feed into all of those. So it's anybody from somebody building a shed for themselves right through to high-rise, to modular companies who we just supply the steel into.
Right. And all of this is really possible using the machinery you're using. In your case, you're using the Howick machines.
Yep.
We're here for the Steel Horizons event and learning so much about how the value of what they're doing with their machines and the data is helping you to be super successful.
Yeah, definitely. Without that sort of technology and the drive of the machines, we'd struggle to meet the demands of what,
right,
we just couldn't get the labour to do it, sure, really.
There you have it, everybody. Martin Jamieson, thank you. We will see you next time, coming to you from England. We'll see you at Steel Horizons. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.